In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your website on Squarespace in just about 5 minutes. Now, whether you're looking to refresh your site with new content, tweak your design, or simply update your contact information, Squarespace makes these tasks straightforward and user-friendly. Let's dive into the process step by step, ensuring that by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to make those changes to your website with confidence and ease. First things first, let's navigate to the Squarespace website. This is where all the magic begins. With its sleek interface and intuitive design, Squarespace stands out as a powerful platform for website creation and editing. Once you're on their homepage, your journey to updating your site is about to start. Now, to access your Squarespace dashboard, you'll need to log in. Look for the Login button, usually located at the top right corner of the homepage. Clicking this will take you closer to making those desired changes to your website. After clicking Login, you'll be prompted with several options for how you'd like to proceed with signing in. For a quick and seamless experience, click on Continue with Google. This option allows you to log in using your Google account, bypassing the need to remember another password. It's all about making the process as smooth as possible. Next up, you'll need to select your account. If you're like many, you might have more than one Google account. Make sure to choose the one that's associated with your Squarespace website. This step is crucial to ensure you're editing the right site, especially if you manage multiple projects or websites through Squarespace. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be taken to your Squarespace dashboard. Here you'll see all the websites associated with your account. Look for the website you wish to edit and click on it. This will take you to the back end of your site, where all the content and design elements can be accessed and modified. Now, for the moment you've been waiting for editing your website. On your dashboard, you should see an option to edit. This might be represented by a button or a link depending on your layout and the version of Squarespace you're using. Click on this edit option to enter the site editor. You'll be greeted by your website as it currently stands, along with a variety of editing tools and options. These tools are designed to be intuitive, allowing you to hover over different sections of your site and see immediate options for editing content, changing design elements, or adjusting settings. Whether you're looking to update text, swap out images, or tweak your site's layout, everything you need is right here. For visual learners, it's worth noting that Squarespace provides an interactive and visual editing experience. As you make changes, you'll see them reflected in real time on your site. This immediate feedback is invaluable for fine-tuning your website's look and feel. As you work through your edits, remember to take advantage of Squarespace's robust help resources. Whether it's through their online guides, video tutorials, or community forums, there's a wealth of information available to help you navigate more complex edits or troubleshoot any issues you might encounter. Once you're happy with the updates to your website, make sure to preview your changes. Squarespace offers a preview mode that allows you to see your site as it will appear to visitors. This is a critical step to ensure your edits align with your vision and work seamlessly across different devices and browsers. Finally, once you've double-checked your work, it's time to make those changes live. Squarespace makes this step easy with a straightforward publishing option. With just a few clicks, your updated website will be live, ready for the world to see. And that's it. You've successfully navigated the process of editing your website on Squarespace. Remember, the beauty of Squarespace lies in its flexibility and ease of use. Don't be afraid to experiment with different designs and content layouts. The platform is designed to empower you, giving you the tools to bring your vision to life without needing a background in web development. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. With these simple steps, you're well on your way to keeping your Squarespace website fresh, engaging, and aligned with your goals. Happy editing!